Janet from Try It, Like It, Create It, and today I am folding a fun little curvy box, and I am using paper from CutCardStock. I am on their design team, and this month we are featuring the Astrobright's cardstock, and so I'm working with the Pulsar Pink, the Cosmic Orange, and the Solar Yellow. All of these are 80-pound cover cardstock, and they come in 8.5 by 11, and there's 25 sheets in the pack. So I have already cut my file on the Cricut Maker, and I'm just going to take the yellow one. I think I'll just use the yellow one to show you how to fold it. And I don't think it matters where you start for the folds, but you want to just kind of make sure all the cuts are open. Those are the right there, and then along the sides here there's 4 of them, and sometimes they get a little tacky there, so you just want to make sure that they're all cut, and then we just start folding. So I'm just folding those tabs in like so. And then I'm just going to start at one side and fold these straight lines here, like so. And then the last folds along both sides are curvy, so you kind of want to push and just follow along that curve. Okay, and the 80-pound cardstock is nice for this because it's stiff, but not too stiff. So it will hold its shape well, but it's not so stiff that it'll fight you. So I'm just folding along those curved lines, making sure they have a nice fold on each side. Okay. Now for this box, you could use adhesive if you want. It doesn't necessarily need it. It will stay shut without any assistance. So it's entirely up to you if you want to secure it with adhesive or not. But I will show you how to fold it, or at least how I fold it, without using any glue. So here we have all of our folds, and I should say that all the folds fold into the same direction, so there's no folding in an opposite direction. The next thing I'm going to do is take these short tabs and tuck them inside the large side here, and then take this tab over that side. Okay, and I'm going to do that on all 4 sides. Okay, so if you wanted to use a little glue right there on that tab to hold it shut, would be a nice place. Alright, so now we come to the top where it has an opening, and see, take these points and pull them up, and we're just going to slide those cuts into each other and then sideways, and that will hold your box together. Now if you want to use a little tape or a little glue to hold these sides down, you can. The other thing you could do is just, give them a really good fold so that they kind of curve back into themselves. If you want to try to put the other piece forward, those can go in and this can go on top of it, like so. So either side. I like, if they're going to flange open a little bit, I like the look of this better than the look of this. This I would have to use a little adhesive to hold that in place. So either way, your choice.